Hi, my name is Hans Lindetorp, and in this tutorial I would like to present a framework and a workflow to make interactive, sensor-driven musical instruments with your smartphone or for your smartphone. And it uses web audio technology, and it's all online cloud-based technology, so we don't need to install anything either on the computer nor on the smartphone. And in this first episode, I would like to present the workflow so we understand how we do these things. And I have created myself an account at p5js.org. It's a wonderful place where we can build web-based applications for computers or smartphones or whatever. And this is the different examples that I want to walk through in this tutorial. And you will find a link to those beneath the video. So I want to start with the sample player in the first in the next episode, and now I think it makes sense just to open it up and get our head around the framework itself. So here to the left, it looks like, well, quite a normal file explorer thing. You can see that I've uploaded a few audio files. And we have an index file, which is the starting point for all web pages. You don't need to worry about that because I pre-made it with some buttons and stuff that is useful. And then we have one important file that we will return to a lot during this tutorial called audio XML. And this is where we type the XML that configures the whole configuration. And the language is built upon Web Audio XML, which is a part of my PhD project, and it builds upon Web Audio API, which is a wonderful thing that turns your smartphone into a powerful audio application if we want to. All right, in this framework we also have a play button, and when we hit it we get a preview of the application here to the right, and some of the examples will work on the computer. For example, this one. And some won't work because we don't have any sensor data on the computer. So they need to be transferred to the smartphone to work. And so that will be the next step. To do that, you hit File and Share. And if you share this link, you can email it to yourself, or you use any way of sharing this link to your smartphone. That makes it pop up on your smartphone. And if you use the full screen version, it is almost just the actually application you see, just a small kind of header here saying P5. And there is also the way if you would like to go to the editor, which doesn't make that much sense on the smartphone, right? Because we need more space for that on the screen. But the application works just by sharing a link. So it's quite nice. To be able to do all the tasks here, you need to create yourself an account, and then you can start off with my examples and you duplicate it and save it in your area of P5JS, so you can share your versions of the demos. And that's it for the first episode.